Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and this isn't open with me, but with a bit of a difference, because I managed to miss doing this magazine, and it's been in my yarn room for a while, so it's probably very much out of sequence, but I'm going to have a look at it and do a little review on it anyway, because as we all know, you can get back copies if you want to. So let's get rid of the outer. Well, I don't know how old this is. It's actually a Simply Crochet. I thought it was inside crochet when I was looking. So it may not be as old as I think. I don't know. Anyway, it comes with these free gifts of these crochet clips. And it looks like a pretty summery edition, doesn't it? Maybe it's current. I don't know. I found it in the yarn room, so let's just have a look. We've got a backpack and a kind of tank top and probably a blanket. We've got some cushions. That one looks extremely knobbly. It says Autumn Flare, so there we go. It's a bit old, to say the least. We've got some Aran, kind of cable. We've got this kind of interesting pullover and a onesie for little ones. We've also got a free gift, which was the Autumn Essentials crochet edits. I could have left this until autumn. It would have been quite current. Can't believe I actually mislaid it all that time. Anyway, let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got a fox. I believe it's a fox. I always get it wrong. And this is all the stuff that we're going to find in it. There's not a great deal different to the front cover, I don't think, in amongst this little array. However, all offers, subscription offers, etc. are going to be out of date. I think this is the one that I got free when I did my subscription. So we'll just ignore those and we'll just concentrate on what's in it. And we've got ideas, inspiration, accessories, websites, events and stuff. Okay, sounds like a lot. Inspiring books. Let's have a look and see what we've got, because they're still around. Mosaic crochet. It may not be $15.99 anymore. That's the only thing. There's been lots of price rises. Harry Potter crochet collection. I have the knitting collection. And we've got Amigurumi Friends and Celebrations. And we've got Punch Needle Friends. Okay. Nice. As I say, there might not be those prices anymore, unfortunately. We've got lots of editorials and stuff. Cozy cables. Here we are. So, welcome the falling leaves and fresh breeze in the air. I wish, it's really hot today. With textured classic accessories hot off your hook. So that's interesting. If you're a fan of knitted cables, that might be really nice, fun thing to try, doing some crochet cables. Does look nice, I must admit. So we've got quite a few cable designs to have a go at. We've got gloves and scarves and headbands and bags. I have to say that looks like it's not really big enough, like a skull cap of some sort. And then we've got this tunic, which they call a tunique, strange word, and all of the instructions. Okay, and we have Fantastic Fox and all the instructions on how to make him. Oh, I like him from the rear. He's quite cute. Okay, so there's a subscription deal, but it's obviously out of date. So we'll move swiftly on. And we've got a bit on mandalas. Emily's project ideas. Advert. Superstars. So this is actually quite nice. I like that. That's quite clever. And there's all the instructions on how to do it, how to put it together. And this is the Mosaic Masterpiece. I have to say, That's quite effective. I like that. It's quite a striking cardigan. And it's not overly baggy on the sleeves. So the only thing I'm not keen on is how you tie, people make tie-up cardigans. It reminds me of Starsky and Hutch all those years ago, and suddenly everyone was wearing these big baggy cardigans, and then they started to do tie-up cardigans, which I'm never been keen on. But then I never do up a cardigan. It has to be really cold for me to do that. So lots of instructions on that. And this is the Sweet Stripes onesie. Oh, is it an offer? Well out of date. Can't believe I just mislaid this magazine. Bag of Tricks. So I don't think that these patterns are actually in here. It's just a piece to read. We've got Poms and Pom-Poms. A basket. That's a nice basket, actually. Quite interesting. Pom-Pom basket. It's just called Pom-Pom. There aren't any. And this Party at the Back is quite a snazzy backpack. I quite like that. It's unusual. It's nice. Cozy Mitts. They're quite nice as well. I like these ones. No, fingerless gloves, because we all need gloves at the moment. Actually, I just did a tutorial for a beanie, and I was thinking of doing some matching gloves, because after all, everybody's kind of starting to make presents and think about getting bits and pieces ready for Christmas. Well, not everybody. Some people like to get in early. Rise of the Indie Cow. This is a very pretty cushion, but I don't think these are in here anyway. The Magic Carpet Throw was a long while ago, wasn't it? So this is nice. This is a nice tank top. I do like that. That would be a summery thing. You don't have to have a shirt underneath it, do you? So yeah, that's quite sweet. It's called Checkmate, and there's all the instructions for that. And this Twist It Sister. Okay, so that's the throw, and this is more kind of close up. It's unusual. It's just a big square, really. I do like this. This cushion looks very nice. It reminds me of a kind of either honeycomb or brickwork or something. That's nice. Wooler. It's, I don't know if it's actually in here. This is the very odd cushion. This is the Wooler Super Fat in Radioactive Spring. That's what it's called. All about squish. Unusual. Maybe I would have liked this magazine if I'd seen it at the right time. Working two stitches together. A bit of a how to do. Show us yours. And mohair yarns. Can't touch them. Very allergic. Absolutely. Very, very allergic to mohair. And in the next issue... Really? Okay. Missed an issue, which obviously this one is a missed issue. This is how you go about getting hands on this one if you want it. So I'll hold that there, and should you feel the need to get this edition, you can. Can't believe it. So there's a lot of how-to pages on this one. There must be a lot of different techniques in this magazine. Charts, we've got lots of charts. Well, not lots, a few. Okay, so that's the magazine. Let's have a look at the edits. This looks quite interesting. Nice little beanie. I like this. Lots of shawls and stuff. And some more fingerless gloves. Let's have a look then. What's this one called? Twist and Shout. I've turned over 2 pages. This is just a... I'm not sure if I'm keen on these kind of ponchos yet. I'm not sure. I guess. This one looks quite sweet, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about them. Okay, so Twist and Shout. Pretty 2-tone pattern. It's quite a chunky-ish yarn, that one. And there's all the instructions. That reminds me of a pullover that I made when I was young with my mum. That looks just like it. Isn't that weird? That's bizarre. Made that one very, very similar. It's called Tweedy Glee. That's all the instructions for that one. And these are the mini me poncho. It's called Striped Poncho. Getting really hot. Looking at all these winter wears. I'm roasting. Absolutely roasted in this heat. Wrap and roll. Let's all bundle up, shall we? Keep the cold out. Evergreen, unique design. And we've got a peaky blinder. There's no peak. Take a peek at this easy hat design to keep the sun out of your eyes on a bright, chilly morning. Really? I haven't really got that much of a peak, is it? Just maybe a little turn up. Anyway, move on. V-neck sweater, hooded design. Can't really see the hood, but there may be the one on the back. I don't know. Didn't say. Show a picture of a hood. Reach for gold. I would say this is just row after row of treble crochet, which we all know I'm not keen on, but it's done in such a way that they all go in different directions. So it's slightly different. What do you think of that? Try 3 issues from £5 of Love Embroidery. That's kind of an unusual scarf. It's called Earth and Sky, brown and blue. It's kind of nice, I suppose. Heart's Hearth cowl. Now that looks like it's knitted, so it's Tunisian crochet. That's pretty, I like that. And there's the chart there. Oops, not the camera. Tunisian knit and purl stitches, so it shows you how to do it. And that's it. So, what do you think of this edition? Out of sequence, I know, but with a free gift of these clips. It says crochet clips, but I've only ever known people use them for sewing, but I guess you must be able to use them for crochet if you want to hold something. So yeah, what do you think? Was it a nice magazine? Honestly cannot believe that I'm opening an autumn magazine at the beginning of July. Just a bit late, but you know, it's worth looking at. You can still get hold of them, and there is something, you know, in the autumn, people like with that tank top, that's kind of a pattern that can be kind of a summery one. But you know, and like I said, we all kind of start thinking about getting a few wintry patterns together that people might want to make as Christmas presents. I mean, I made an Aran beanie myself with the curly whirly. So if you haven't already seen that, I'll put a link at the end for that that tutorial. I've got the right-handed version up at the moment, but the left-handed one will follow. So watch out for that. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think. And I promise I'll try not to hide any more magazines for around 6 months and bring them out like the summer one at Christmas or something. Bye for now, everyone.